Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to upload a YouTube short using the easiest method. First, open the YouTube app. Make sure you are signed in to your account. Now, look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a plus button in the center. Tap on it. A small menu will appear. From the menu, choose the option that says Create a Short. The camera will open. If you want to record a new short, press and hold the red record button. You can record up to 60 seconds. To switch the camera from front to back, tap the rotate icon at the top right. If you already have a video saved on your phone, tap the gallery icon in the bottom left corner. Choose your video. It must be under 60 seconds and in a vertical format. Once your video is ready, tap Next. Now, you can add music, text, or filters if you want. When you're done editing, tap Next again. Add a title to your short. Make it clear and short. Make sure the title includes #shorts so it's easier for people to find. Now check your visibility settings. You can choose public, unlisted, or private. Most of the time, you want to set it to public. Then tap Upload Short. Your video will start uploading. Wait a few seconds. Once it's done, you'll see it on your channel under the Shorts section. And that's it. You've uploaded your YouTube short using the app. Thanks for watching.